Hey everyone, welcome. My name is Alan with the Contractor License School, and today I want to share a video with you on how to get a cabinet millwork and finish carpentry license in 2023. This is also known as the C6 license. I want to do this in 8 basic steps. First of all, make it happen. Look, if you want to get a contractor's license if you have a will, there's a way. There's always a way to make it happen. You'll be able to see some more videos on that in my description. Now, the second thing is this, schooling. You have to have proper schooling that prepares you to pass the state exam first try and has a pass test guarantee. Well, that's our school. So we have 3 options for you. In class, where you're there with a live teacher, with an instructor who's going to guide you, lead you, prepare you, watch over you, make sure he's moving you along and getting you through the process. The second is our live stream option, and that's where you save a little bit of money. We broadcast the class live to your internet device, and you can be a part of that class, ask the teacher questions, and get everything that you need to be able to get through our program. That's called online. And then finally, our homeschool program. Here's your books, materials, go to town. Here's our videos, watch that, answer our questions. But either way, we're going to be able to help you. When you have problems, you can just give us an email, give us a call, or shoot us a text. So those are our 3 options in our schooling. The most important thing that you need to know, we're going to give you everything you need to have to pass that state exam the very first try. The third thing is this, you got to fill out the state application when you're ready. How do you know you're ready? You're passing my test. You send that off, and then within about 2 months of sending in that application, you're going to get an email that you click on, and then you schedule in your 2 tests, law and business and trade. Each one's 3.5 hours, so 7 hours of testing. You can schedule them all at once or separate days. Either way, totally works out. So you want to make sure you do that. Now, the application, by the way, it's a little over 30 pages. It can be quite daunting, but when you're part of our program, we can do that in our sleep. So we gather the right information, help you fill it out properly, get all those I's and T's dotted and crossed, and make sure you get your best foot forward as we send that off. Now, once you show up to the state testing facility, which is number 4, you're going to take your state exams. You're going to need to bring a variety of stuff with you, from your identification. You're going to need to bring the letter that shows you what you need or what you need to bring with you, and you're going to show up there and you're going to enter into the building. Don't forget, by the way, that if you're late, they're not going to let you in. So show up on time and then get ready to take those exams, and then you're gonna pass that exam. Once you pass that exam, you are going to fill out all the rest of the necessary paperwork. Now, you're going to get a live scan and a bond. You can do that once the state application is accepted, but you can also wait till you get this number 6, the completion packet. You're going to complete that. You're going to bring that to us. We'll help you out with that. You're going to go to UPS store or sheriff's office, get your live scan. You're going to go ahead and get a bond. You can go to our website, go to services, scroll down to insurance, and get that bond, about $100 for the year. And in that packet, you're also going to make sure you fill out the work comp disclosure information and the general liability disclosure information. Again, if you bring that to us, we're going to walk you through that process. Once you complete these 2 line items, 5 and 6, send that back off to the state of California with a $200 check, and wham bam, in another month and a half, you're going to get your license in the mail. Now you could rest easy. You could do that work, go completely legit, and not have to worry about the man looking over your back looking for you, right? So meet the requirements. You gotta meet the 3 requirements, and that is, number 1, you're over 18. Number 2, you have a valid social security number or Itin number. If you don't have any of those, go to the irs.gov website, print out the 1.5-page form, fill it out, and get your Itin so you can then be a licensed contractor. And finally, what you're gonna need to do is have the 4 years of experience that are required. If you don't, college education will take away some of that, so you can work with us on that. And for some reason you can't, but you're still determined to make it happen and take massive action to start your company, we could set you up with an RMO program where a contractor lets you use their license. They become an officer of the board of your corporation. We do corporations, so we'll set those up. In fact, on our website under services, click incorporated. We'll get you all set up and going. By the way, for all of you that are listening, there's going to be a variety of options: sole proprietorship, S Corp, LLC, C Corporation. There is one that you definitely should do over all others, and there's one LLC that you should never do in the state of California. LLC, but I'm not going to tell you. I'll save that for a video later. Now, that meets the requirements. performance. Number 8, hey, live free. This is my favorite one, and thrive. There's nothing better than running your own business, being your own boss, determining your own schedule, setting the level of your success, and then going for it. And that leads me to something I want to share with you. Once you're done with our school, I don't want you to feel like you're just done and gone. Our desire is, our passion is your success, and our desire is to be a resource for you into the future. We want to be able to help you establish your business and grow it through financial management or budgeting, or helping you with your bookkeeping, taxes, also your branding, marketing, advertising, web design, helping make videos like this for your business, helping you get the right entity set up, and making sure you're staying compliant to all these things. Those are some of the basic key concepts for growing and thriving, and we want to be able to help you out with that and make sure that you know you have someone that you can ask questions with, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, show me that you know how to make it happen. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You're gonna get other videos from me on construction success tips. You won't want to miss those. They're going to help you level up your business. Again, my name's Alan from the Contractor License School, and this has been a video on how to get your cabinet, millwork, and finished carpentry license for 2023, also known as your C6 license. Have a great week. Talk to you soon.